Good stuff from Rubal Hussain. Yep, that's what he needs to do. There are two fielders on the deep on the onside, one at long on, one at deep mid wicket, and he went into that direction. Had he missed it, it would have been a chance there.
Well, he just needs to keep still. Carl Mills, it is. Just try, easy to say. Of course, it's easy to say from up here. Keep still, get a good base to hit from.
Bowling, it's over! There it is! That's it! Take a bow! Rubal Hussain! He's done it for the Bangladesh Tigers. They've taken it out, and there is the Bangladesh. Listen to this crowd.
My God, what a delivery. Absolutely brilliant stuff. Right at the pit. Rubal Hussain does the magic. Then everybody jumps up their dead seat and goes wild with celebration. Superb delivery. Timber out of the ground. Great sight for any fast bowler. And Captain Fantastic has done the trick. Bangladesh is it. Brilliant stuff. Party will go on.